A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. When you ask Jesus for things, why you not ask him? You not ask him because you not follow him? Why you not ask him for things? And tell me, you not believe, say, him a go give you when you ask for? Think about it. And while you not think about it, if you don't want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button. It now go cost you none, and the notification bell, so that you will not miss none of what are going on right there. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as called to John chapter 14 from verse 1 to verse 14. No worry in yourself. Trust in a God and trust in a me too. Enough room in a my father's house. If I name so I go, wouldn't say nothing to no. I'll go if fix up one place for no. And after me go, I go fix it up. We're going to come back, come take uno cargo with me, so that uno can there with me anywhere me there. Uno know the way to go which part me I go. Thomas then said to him, say, Lord, we don't know the way to go which part they go. Or we can get to know the way to go there. Jesus answered him and say, me are the way, me are the truth. Me are the one where make people can live. Nobody can go to the Father if they not go through me. No, if you know me for true, then you would have known my Father too. From now on, you know him and you see him. Philip said, Lord, make we see the Father, and we will satisfy with that. So Jesus said to him, say, you don't know me, Philip. After me demons on for so long, anybody will see me, see the Father too. Oh, you feel ask me, say, sure with the Father. You don't believe, say me live in the Father and the Father live in me. They sit them when me say, me not just say them off of my own. And the Father will live in me. I do him work. Trust me when me say, me live in the Father and that the Father live in me. And if you can't believe me sake of when me say, then believe me sake of the miracle them where you see. For true, me I tell you say anybody will believe in me, I go work the powerful miracle them when me I do. Them all I go work more miracle, more powerful miracle than when me do now. Cause me I go back at the Father. And me will do anything uno ask for car uno am a follower. Me go and do it so that the boy picnic can get for sure how the Father big and powerful. Uno can ask me for anything car uno am a follower, and me will get to uno. And God word this. Thank God. And remember, if you want to catch on what go up next, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss none of what are going on right here. So, what good and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.